oil change on this HPD interceptor here.
Damn. A little bit of leak. Fine. On a police interceptor. Oh, excuse me. Oh, barely fit. No, I'm gonna fuck it up. Yeah. Get up here. Come on, about to pour these oil on myself. Come on. Come on, there we go. Come on. Here we go. Woo. A little bit of mess. Give me some of that. Ah. Yay. Oh man. Oh jeez. Okay.